On that note, well, just giving you a brief about what this organization is all about. Well, Dream Ed Vision Center believes in empowering youth and enriching the future. And that very vision of theirs brought together the idea of bringing in everyone together under one roof today here at Courtyard by Marriott with this brilliant program. And this is a non-profit organization dedicated to empowering youth through education and skill development. And I'm sure each and every one of you who are part of this institution are definitely gearing up for a bigger and a brighter future by getting trained, by getting skill development, and more importantly, empowering yourself with the knowledge that is required for you to reach out to the world and win. And that's what it is. All right. I will be sharing a lot of more insights about the institution. But for now, how about we warm things up? It's getting a little chilly since it is the end of November, and we are gonna kickstart, of course, the last month of the year. So before we do that, how about we party hard together and have a good time? By the way, just to introduce myself, my name is Nicholas J. Karnami, aka Mad Boy Nicky J. I'm an eco-activist, I'm an MC, etc., etc. as well. You know, for that, you've got to go on a date with me to get to know Ben better. All right, on that note, how about we kickstart? I got something hot and sizzling coming right up for you guys. Give a big shout out to the dance group called Funtronics. Everybody, put your hands together. Let's go, people, let's go. Let's warm things up. Oh, shit. Check it out, everybody, let's hustle! Tip. All right, let's give a big shout out to Funtronics. Well, that's the beauty of Shillong City, and that's the beauty of Meghalaya. You know, we ain't got no dearth of talent, man. We've got so much talent all around, and well, we are so blessed to have them to join us this evening. So, once again, how about we put a round of applause for that great dance performance by Funtronics. Come on, everybody. Yeah. All right, on that note, let's get to something. Towards a brighter future for yourself. But right now, how about I call on stage Sapna Rai, who is the founder of Dream Eduvision Center, to kindly come and enlighten us. Tell us more about this institution, the dream behind it, and the vision behind it as well. So let's put our hands together for the lady who's got it all set for you guys. This event is all because of her. Big shout out to Sapna Rai.
Thank you, everyone. Well, I welcome you here, each one of you. Thank you for giving your time here. And I'm very grateful to have you all here. Thank you so much. Well, I introduce myself. I'm Sapna Rai, co-founder, founder, you can say anything like director or staff from Dream Eduvision Center. I represent here our Dream Eduvision Center. Is a vision to every student, a dream. Very much deep into my heart. It's deeply from my heart. It's a dream, you can say. 1 second. Well, I can just say the journey of establishing this institution is like deeply personal, which is rooted in my own, like what I have faced through my journey. I can say there was a time when I didn't have money to give my fees also, but I don't want you to, suffer that. And I don't want those things will just lag you behind. So that is what I am here with my institution, with my organization, to all of you, to all the students who is disabled, who wants to study, who wants to go abroad and anywhere out of world, you can say. So anything is there, you can just ask me about education line. I'm an educator, I'm a counselor, anything you want to know, you can go through our website also, it's there, Dream Eduvision Center. It's here in Laban, Howell Road. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you. Yeah, and I also want to introduce my team. Well, we had a video, but just because of this some problem, we couldn't show you here. So now, as of now, I want to just introduce my team. The co-founder, Ms. Genevieve Pala, to be here on the stage. Mr. Sridhar Sri, the chairman of Dream Eduvision Center. Our marketing manager, Mr. Sudarshan Puri. The program officer of Dream Eduvision Center, Mr. Neeraj Rana. I request each one of you to be here in the stage right now. And Miss Ankita Chetri, the field assistant. And one more staff is there, one more our team member, he is not here. Unfortunately, we are sorry about it, as he is not well to attend this program here. But still, we wish you good luck, good health. So yeah, thank you everyone for having me here. And I also want to introduce my own brother. His name is Vijay Biswa, who have helped us here, who have helped us through this month to have this program so successful today. Thank you, each one of us, each one of my team members. I don't think so without them I could have just stand here. Thank you everyone.
All right, once again, let's put our hands together for Sapna Rai and this wonderful vision that she has for this institution of ours and empowering youth, and that too, making sure that they have a bright future ahead. Well, this is a great way to pave the way towards it. All right, moving on with our program now, may I call upon Sudarshan to come forward and to carry on with the activity that is there involving the students here. And I'm sure all the students who are involved today would like to be part of this program as well, as much as you all are part of the institution, so let's get it on with this.
Well, very good evening, everyone. Warm regards and anticipation from Dream Motivation. My name is Sudarshan Puri. I know everyone got very bored, but a little bit geared up with this dynamic performance. So now, again, everyone will chatter this. Okay, just be with me for a moment. We'll get ready with our teams. One. Team 1, please come. Okay. I hope everyone will enjoy this activity, okay? And it's a big logical behind it. You sure no? No cheating here, okay? Sorry? So stand here. I want 2 more volunteers from group 2. Please come. Fast. Come first, come first. Make your partner here. Stand here. Something is there? Yes. I'll tell you. Don't show to anyone. This activity we are going to do, the name of the activity or this a kind of fun activity, the name of the activity is Help the Helpless. So everyone, he is blindfolded. So just tell me, can you see nearby anyone?
No.
Sure? So you are helpful or helpless?
Helpless.
Speak loudly.
Helpless.
Everyone, is he helpful or helpless? Please. Helpless. Helpless. Is he helpful or helpless?
Helpless.
Sure, no? Okay, you're gonna help them. So, 2 of you choose your own any music instrument. What do you like? Flute, band, or any kind of anything. Choose anything. Everyone, Gorilla, sure. 3 of you. Lion, sure. Okay? Fine. So, they will be guiding them. This helpless fellow. You will shout your own animal, okay? To distract them. Animals to distract them. Sure? Okay? Okay. Come on. Stand here. You guide him. You have to guide him, but you can't show him. You can't touch him, okay? Sure. So, okay. You have to guide them. He's helpless. You have to help him. Okay? You got this, no? So, you have to pick this item and put it here on the table. Okay? Your friend will guide you. Okay? No, himself. You have to guide him. So, this is a challenge from both sides. He's a helpless, blindfolded. 2 guys are there who will help them. And you are there, you help yourself by shouting with the animal sound. Okay? So, let's start. Come, come. Not here. Not here. Yes. Sound boss, what happened? You have to pick a ball. Okay, please don't break. It's chargeable. You have to shout. No, hurry, you are helping them. You're same team, okay? All different team. Okay, now you can keep it. You can have your friend here. You can guide him to go there. You can't touch. You can't touch. You can't touch. You just guide him. You just guide him. You can't touch. You can't touch. You cannot touch your friend. Okay, your time frame is up. It's only for 10 minutes. Okay, done. 30 of it. Stand here. Put the guys in. You can see? Sure? I don't know. So group 2 everyone. Please cover the arena. You only be behind him, but you can't touch, okay? But you can guide. Sure? And you have to be stand here and guide him. You can't come here. Okay? Your own any kind of destruction. And you go sharper. So you have to distract them, okay? It's a 10-minute game, okay? Your time start now. You can't touch, this is cheating. Okay. You can also guide him. Walaikum. It's too near. You guys. Yeah, like this. You can see it's assumption, not distraction. You can see by your friend guidance. Come on, shout! Hey, you are giving chance. Two minutes more. Don't get afraid, it's your friends only. One more minute. Everyone, have a clap. So everyone, just tell me, how do you like this game? How do you like this game? It's fun? It's fun? Only fun? Nothing to learn? There's nothing to learn. See, the name of the activity is Help the Helpless. When you're blindfolded, can you say anything? Okay? But your friend were there who were guiding. And on the way, you have distraction. So this is our life, especially in education. Isn't it? So if you have proper guidance, if you have proper way of life, then only you can pick up the opportunity. There will be many distractions. So you have to choose your guidance which will help you. A friend, true friend. Like this friend, like book, like education, like parents, like other institution or other who is knowledgeable. So theme of the activity is the Help the Helpless by proper guidance. So this is the thing. So group 2 and group 1 clap loudly. With the sound you like. With the sound you like. With the sound you like. Come on. And you people are so less active. Okay. So thank you very much. Okay, there will be more to come. Don't worry, your things you gift will be there. With a smile, please. So, Baliki, please take up the stage. Thank you very much, everyone.
All right, that was absolutely interesting. I mean, that was a unique game that I saw. I mean, I haven't seen that performed anywhere else. So, round of applause. You guys are a sport. Let's put our hands together for each other, yeah? Fantastic. And a big shout out to Sudarshan for leading through the game. I believe that is something that taught me also one important aspect, which is of course what Sudarshan ji had mentioned just now, that you need guidance. But more importantly is that even if you have guidance in life, but if you're not focused, then what happens? We have our parents, we have our teachers who always guide us. But then if we are ourselves not focused about what we want to do in life, then, well, that's a waste. And that is the problem that most of the students and most of the young people are facing nowadays. We have ample opportunities. There are so many people out there who are there to guide you and to lead you. But what about you? Are you focused at what you want to do in life? What you want to achieve in life? If I am what I am today, it's only for the fact that I was focused at what I want to be. So each and every one of you also, you need to choose that path of yours, stick to it, get the guidance that's required, and stay focused in your plan, and one fine day you will achieve what you want to be. Alright, so wishing each and every one of you all the very best. Alright, moving on now with some more entertainment to warm up this evening, and let's give a shout out to an artist who is par excellence. As a matter of fact, I have recently just hosted alongside with her, in the Tri-Hills Ensemble, and she's a darling, she's an absolute star on her own. And someone who's from Shillong, she's a talented singer-songwriter with a passion for music. And the beautiful part of her, as I introduce her is her motto, which says to spread love and positivity. How many people nowadays have that kind of a zeal in life and zest in life to do that and to be able to make a difference? And music is just that medium that can achieve this very goal of spreading love and positivity. Talk about a recent release of songs, singles. Well, it includes Risa, Kinongrim, Ayongxian, Morning Light, and several others that have captivated the audience. In addition to her solo work, Bahun Marwai has made a significant contribution to the theme song of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, NREGA, and she has also lent her talents to the World Disability title song, Love Within, highlighting her commitment to meaningful and impactful music. And apart from that, well, she has got galore of achievements on her own, being able to participate in various competitions, being performing as a top artist in front of various gigs, and some of the big festivals, of course, that she has also participated in. So on that note, how about we put our hands together and another talented individual, and as a matter of fact, she's just gorgeous, and as she sings, I'm sure she's going to mesmerize each and every one of you. Let's put our hands together for our very own Bahun Marwai.
Hello everybody, a very good evening. I'm Bahun, and I'm going to sing a few covers for you. And I know that you know these songs, and I would really love to have your participation in here. Will you? Yes? Alright. I can't wait to fly. Oh. Thank you. Well, I just want to say one thing to all of you here. I want you to not give up on your dreams. I want you not to give up on anything you believe in life. Just keep moving forward. There's no looking back. Where you at now, there's no way that you can look back. Just look forward and achieve your goals. Alright, so the next one, I know you know these songs. Did you have fun just now? Alright, so I want you to sing along with me while I'm doing this.
Trying to apologize, you're so ugly.
not singing with me. You don't know the songs. Do you know the songs? Yes or no? So I have one more for you, and this will be the last number for the night. And I would really love if you sing along with me, because I feel like I'm staring at some fierce eyes from here. All right? Will you sing with me? Can I get a lot of yes? That's more like it. Who's a fan of Taylor Swift? Nobody? Okay, I want you to sing along with me, please. Come on. Nice to meet you where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. So you there and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love's a game, the one I play. My name's Sweet Star. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny?
finally you have been singing. Hey, how about you sing that line one last time? Come on. I saw you guys were singing like really awesome. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Hey, hey, come on. Come on, man. Come on. No, 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 no. Hey, hey, come, come, come. Come on, everybody cheer up for him. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the spirit. Come, come on. Right, here we go. Hey, Bob, where you at? Bob, where you at? Yeah, okay. Let's go. Come on, you guys need to get him company, right? Let's go. Who knows the lyrics here? Come on, man. What does he know, by the way? Otherwise, what song? Ah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for a quick act. What's your name again? All right, let's hear it for Joe. All right, he's going to be back. Julie's going to be back. All right, right now let's call. Let's have back on with us to share a little bit more about the institution, to share more about the Dream Education Center, where she's at. Miss Rai, can we have you back on stage, please? Yeah, and it would be lovely if you can share some insights about the organization one more time, please. And yes, are you guys having fun? Yes! I don't know if Madam had actually told you guys not to bring your girlfriends now. Damn, man, I tell you, you should have been allowed to bring your, girlfriend. I didn't say, you know what I mean, right? Yeah, so why don't you, I don't know, I think we can break some rules now here and get your girlfriends here.
Your girlfriends. Okay. So all of you are enjoying here? Yes. How are you feeling? So what is your plan for tomorrow? As we are getting over to our cultural program, it was just for an hour. Now we have come to the end. So I want you to say something about institution. You have any questions here? Do you have anything to ask? See, things didn't got out of, things like I can tell you. We had lots of plans here to have our organization in display and many things. And for that, I'm so sorry that we cannot, tell you that what our organization is doing just because of some systematically problem, some system problem here. And I'm really sorry that we cannot show you what we are doing for you people. Our services are here. See, we do free counseling. That is free career counseling. Through you are a student, you need a guidance, and we are here for you from NSP side, from NEP side, anything you want to know about education's basis. If you want to get what you need to do in your life or anything, we are always there. You can come forward to us. And yeah, that time I was lack of out of box, I can tell you. I don't know what to say just because I was quite upset, I can say, just because of the LED thing. But no issue. I think nobody can stop us doing this grand event, I can say. So far we have come to the end of this cultural program. And thank you so much again, the students especially, to be here. I wish you all the best for your future. And this organization has given us the opportunity to be head of towards, we can see forward what else we can do in life and never lose hope in your life, no matter what it is. Don't think that you are lacking behind or anything, just I felt and I came up to this thing. So yes, again, thank you so much. And about anything regarding our organizations and all also, please go to our website. If anything is there, please come up on the stage and question me out. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, Sapna, for filling in, and that was really lovely. it takes a lot. And she should be a fine example for you guys out there. You know, it takes a lot to have a vision to spearhead a dream of yours. And hence, I think that clap is not good enough. We need to give a loud applause for Sapna over here. Yeah. Everybody, round of applause for Ma'am Sapna over there. Yeah. And I'm sure she's an inspiration for many of you out there. All right. On that note, we are moving on. What about Joe? Are you set? All right, take some time. Good. This is a good testing session for him. You better be ready because you never know. You know, you might just get an opportunity in life, and if you don't take that opportunity, remember the song 8 Mile talks a lot, right? Everybody, you know, you might just stumble upon an opportunity in life, but if you're not ready for it, well, you'll lose something that you might just, you know, it might just be the biggest jackpot of your life. All right, moving on. Quickly, we have the next performance on stage, and this is going to be a performance by the band called Never End. It's a rock quartet from Shillong, formed in 2021 by 3 passionate musicians who later recruited a 4th member to complete their lineup, united by the love for rock music. And well, they intend, and their music is what brings them together, you know, in order to bring back the glory of rock music here in our very own Shillong City. And they have been performing in many gigs all around and around the Northeast. Yeah, across the Northeast as well. And through their music, this band seeks to inspire and connect with fellow rock enthusiasts. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. Jacinta Lingo is joining along with Never End. Let's give them a round of applause. Come on, everybody. Big shout out. And trust you me, you are not here as the chief guest. So damn you, if you're sitting like that with your butts down, no, then it's not going to work. So you've got to stand up, cheer up for the ones who's on stage. Don't be sitting idly over there, okay? Yeah, you good? Yeah, so it's time to get into action, people, okay? On that note, let's have Jacinta, Lingo, and of course, the band Never End. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, yeah.
Check, check, check. Check. 1, 2, check, check, check. Check. I've been told about living like a star. Oh, to reach your pain and carry on. But no one ever showed me the reverse. And it really hurts. Baby, it really hurts. Try to sell your body and your soul. Is the price you pay for rock and roll. And no one understands it how you feel for someone real. Oh, it's so real. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thought I knew what I should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Critics crucify your latest song. Another drink and then you lose control. But then I'll stench you feel fire burn. But there's no return. I'm always on the run. I give it to you, baby, all my heart. For it's not too late. Oh, it's not too late. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thought I knew what it should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thought I knew what it should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thank you so much. A very good evening to all present here. My name is Jacinta Lindotron, and I am the vocalist of this band called Neven. And we have here Banchan, who is the guitarist of the band. So first of all, I'd like to thank Dream Television for having us tonight, and especially Mrs. Genevieve Pala for she's one of my friends. So thanks for inviting me. And we will be doing a couple of songs for you all. And we'll be doing the 80s and 90s rock music. I hope you all will enjoy, have a great time. Alright, this next song is from Scorpion and it's called You and I. Enjoy. Because of you, babe, I lose control. When you look at me like this, there's something in your eyes that is saying tonight, I'm not a child anymore. There's open a door to a new exciting life. I lose control when I'm close to you, babe. I lose control. Don't look at me like this. There's something in your eyes. Is this love at first sight? Like a flower that grows, I just want you to know all the secrets of life. It's all went down in your life now. It's written down inside your heart. You and I just have a dream to find a place where we can hide away. You and I, we were just made to love each other now, forever and a day. I lose control because of you, babe. I lose control. Don't look at me like this. There's something in your eyes that is saying tonight, I'm so used for more, just like never before in my innocent life. It's all went down in your life now. It's written down inside your heart. You and I just have a dream to find a place where we can hide away. You and I, we were just made to love each other now, forever and a day. It's nice to see when the days of innocence are falling for the night. I'm lying now is free. I swear I'll die for you till the day I die. You and I just have a dream to find a place where we can hide away. You and I, we were just made to love each other now, forever and a day. You and I just have a dream
this next song. I hope you guys can join along with me. And it's called What's Up by Conan Blondes. I hope you guys know the song. We have still a few more songs left. And this next song It's one of our favorite songs from Guns N' Roses. Anyone Guns N' Roses here? And the song is called Knocking on Heaven's Door. Please join me. last song for you all. And I wish you guys the best of luck and soar higher. So this next song is called Proud Mary by CCR. Enjoy. Thank you so much and have a good evening.
Well, that was walking down memory lane, and let's hear it one more time for Never End. Come on, everybody. For the ones who know because they need to know, and because for the love of the music of it, rock is not dead, all right? And that's the reason why the resurrection by the name of the band called Never End. Can't wait to see them really get back the very feel of Shillong as a rock city. So let's hear it one more time for Jacinta Lindo and never end. Come on, one more time. Right, so after some rock music, let's move on to some soulful music. And so, let's give a big shout out for the next artist who's going to feature right here on this very stage at this beautiful evening. And, well, she's a soulful singer with a deep passion for blues and jazz. And with a voice that echoes the timeless sounds of the genre. She brings raw emotion and smooth melodies to every performance, and her unique style blends the essence of classic blues with modern jazz influences, creating an unforgettable musical experience with whether performing heartfelt ballads or upbeat rhythms. And well, she has been captivating with her act across. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and let's give a big shout out to Amanti. Come on, everybody, let's hear it for Amanti here.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Hi everyone, good evening. So I'm Amanti from Darjeeling, so I'll be singing some blues and Hindi songs. So yeah. Thank you. So the next song is my favorite song. It's called What Am I to You by Nora Jones. What am I to you? this is a Hindi song. So I want you all to dance and sing along with me. Will you?
who's she? And then, voila, there we go, all the way from Darjeeling. Well, lots of love from Shillong. Thank you so much. It's been lovely. We'd love to have you next time perform again here in Shillong. Lovely. All right, once again, yeah? Let's hear it for her. Wow. So, as a matter of fact, you all, whoever are witnessing this event this evening, are very lucky, as a matter of fact, to be able to witness artists from different states. And that's something very unique. And coming up next now, after that rock and then moving on to some blues and jazz, it's time for some hustling. Yeah, and I'm sure you all are loving it, because what's coming up next on stage is a super fantastic act that's coming right up. Well, this guy, I tell you, he is a talent that you all will be spellbound by. Well, he is the winner of the Fusion World Talent Hunt Show, the runners-up of Northeast Got Talent, runners-up of Sikkim's Got Talent. He has been judging in about 14 talent shows, recently judging the international show Rap Battle Nepal, and also national show called Stage Dream 2. Well, as a matter of fact, he has himself great number of shows that he has done across, both in the state, in the country, and across international shows as well. And well, he has his own YouTube channel and Spotify. So how about we give a big shout out to something that is going to get us all groovy? I believe so. Let's give a shout out to Sonam Leno Locha, aka Leno D69 from Sikkim. Let's go, buddy.
Chick, 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 chick.
Hello, Namaste Shillong. Myself Sonam Leno Lepcha, aka Leno D69, all the way from Sikkim, Gangtok. And I'm a beatboxer plus rapper. So, firstly, I do beatboxing. I hope you all like it and enjoy it.
Everybody dance now. Let's samba. Let's samba.
Now I'm going South Indian. Now I'm doing instrument with beat. I hope you all like it and enjoy. First I'll do flute with beat. Next. Don't play my again. Don't play my again. Wanna put them play my again. On the school. Wanna put them play my again. On the school. On the bump. On the bump. On the bump. On the bump. Thank you so much.
check, 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 hello, hello,
Check, check,
hello, check, check,
check, check.
hello, check, check, hello, hello.
Check, 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 check. What?
Hello, check, check. Hello guys, what's up? It's Asis, aka DJ Gorkha, all the way from Gangtok, Sikkim. We are performing our original number. First of all, we are performing our Nepali number, then after Hindi. So, okay, play the track.
Check, check, check. Brrrr. Skip. Check.
Lost in a combo, baby, you know lost in a combo. What make you combo? Baby, you know lost in a combo, lost in a combo. Oh, baby, you know lost in a combo. Oh, what make you combo? Oh, baby, you know lost in a combo. Hit the loose, baby, Katrina Casco. Hit the town, only get it a bobble. Coast the Jana, only team like a petty motor, original doctor.
Don't
All right, everybody, let's hear it one more time for Sati all the way from Gangtok singing. Leo D69, one more time, everybody. Put your hands up, everybody. One more time. Round of applause for him. Thank you so much. You're awesome, man. What a talent. I mean, a hustler, a rapper, and a beatboxer. What's it? Absolutely amazing talent. We are so proud of you. Thank you very much. रमाइलो लाग्यो तिम्रो परफॉर्मेंस हेरेर अनि हामीले चिने फाइनली के सिक्किम क्याम्पमा देखे पनि यति रमाइलो ट्यालेन्ट रहेछ अनि यो प्लेटफर्ममा आज हामीले देख्न पाएको, that is absolutely amazing. All right, moving on to something sizzly and hot and something that we have been waiting to see. Yeah, Kong Ji, of course, with her bandwagon to come up on stage and to be taking center stage with a fashion show. So yeah, let's give a big shout out for that. That's coming up next. So, what we're going to witness next on this very platform is a fashion show by Gens. So let's see if they're ready. Well, in the meantime, once again, a big shout out to the organizers. That's Dream Eduvision Center, empowering youth, enriching futures. And it's a non-profit organization dedicated to empowering youth through education and skill development. The mission is to provide opportunities for underprivileged students to succeed in their academic and professional pursuits. All right, and we're talking about, of course, the vision of Dream Edu Vision Center. Well, they envision a world where every individual has access to quality education, regardless of their background or circumstances, and they strive to create a supportive ecosystem that fosters academic excellence, personal growth, and professional development. What a fantastic vision they have. And Sapna, I have to give you credit, and to the entire team. Keep it up, and may this vision of yours pave the way for a great future for our youth from Shillong, from Meghalaya, from the Northeast, and may it pave the way towards great opportunities for our young people. That's such a great, great initiative. How about Jen? Is she ready or what? Well, the party's not over after the fashion show. We'll be moving in to the Taverns Club because that's where the action begins with some of the hottest DJs that are going to belt in some great music to wind up November in a great style. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together now as I welcome the one and only, the mesmerizingly beautiful and talented Genevieve Paula, and let's have it on stage right now, the fashion show by Gens. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it.
Northeast India is home to many rich textile traditions, largely because of the availability and easier access to natural materials like netted, cotton, water hyacinth, and indigenous silkworms. Here, weaving was historically a non-commercial activity. Women used to source the fibers, spin and dye the yarn, and then weave fabric for the use of their families. Women in these regions have long been the memory keepers of indigenous arts like textile design. For centuries, these traditions have been passed down orally from mothers and aunts to the new generation of young women. Each community zealously treasures their patterns and colors, guarding these secrets for future weavers. Native to the region, ERI silk yarn is traditionally used by many tribes in the northeast, including the eastern Himalayan Monpas and the Khasis in Meghalaya. In the past, eri silkworms were reared in small quantities for both food and yarn in agrarian homes in this region. The name eri comes from the Assamese word for castor leaves, which is what the worms consume. Its also open-mouthed cocoons are collected after the moth, known as Samia ricini, emerges. Known for its rough texture and matte milk, eri is often mistaken for linen. Its demand stems from its warmth and because it absorbs natural dyes well. The resulting colors are vivid and stand the test of time. We still have distinct memories of wrapping ourselves up in our grandmother's well-worn eri shawl on cold winter mornings. The warmth and softness of the fabric left a tangible impression, easily conjured up even after all these years. Traditional eri was hand-spun. The process of converting cocoons to fiber and then cloth is a tedious and time-consuming. In quiet corners of a shady storeroom, and castor leaves are placed carefully on top of them. Freshly hatched eggs are placed on these leaves for the silkworms to feast on when they eventually emerge. Harvested cocoons are boiled in water and soda or other natural alkaline solutions to remove the dirt particles and soften the cocoon. The boiling also makes the cocoon whiter. They then roll the dry, flattened fiber in one hand while rotating spindles, which resemble stalks, in the other. The yarn is dyed using turmeric, lag, various leaves and flower petals, or left natural before being woven into shawls, stoles, or fabric. Finally, it is washed to soften the final product and dried away from direct sunlight to preserve the vibrancy of the dye. In many villages in Vijayanagar cluster in Assam and the Reerwai district in Meghalaya, it is a common sight to see women sitting outside their homes or in groups in the courtyard around tubs of water, chatting and keeping an eye on their livestock and children. They use the hard surface of soft stones or vegetables like cucumbers or lemons to pout and flatten the cocoons. Most of the women who hand-spin eri today are older and very few of them have received a formal education. While they are happy to demonstrate their art for visitors, the entrepreneurs